Welcome Sunset Motors. My name is Frank Gerard. We are located in West Tennessee. Got a beautiful 2019 Lincoln MKT. All-wheel drive, beautiful colors, that platinum white, 20-inch polished aluminum wheels. This thing's got every option available. Backup camera. It's even got a factory towing package. You pull that cover behind and there's a hitch, class 3 hitch. Dual exhaust with a pretty awesome engine, 3.5 Ecoboost. That's 365 horse. It's the same engine they put in the F-150. It's almost 400 horse in this mid-size SUV. Pretty amazing. So we've got automatic HID headlights. You've got your fog lights. This one's got the technology package. You've got the adaptive cruise control, front rear park assist, parallel park assist. This thing does it all. Lane departure and lane assist warning system, blind spot monitor system, you name it, it's got it. Also, we've got the remote engine start. You just lock it and push this button twice, cranks it up, gets the climate control going. This is why I usually would say it's a one owner clean Carfax. Well, it is a clean Carfax, but it's not even a one owner. This is basically a new vehicle. It's got only 200 miles. That's correct, you heard me right, 200 miles. This was supposed to be sold to Hertz, and we all know what happened. So they went out of business and I got a hold of it. So it's basically brand new. The warranty started a couple days ago when I bought it. And also I've certified, so it goes all the way up to 100,000 miles. So you get the new car, warranty, new miles, everything but the price. It's got the passive active key. You just push this button. As long as the key fob is nearby, you can unlock or lock it. Blind spots in the mirrors. You got your memory seat, up to 3 drivers. Power mirrors, power folding mirrors, automatic windows, heated and cool, whoa, sorry about that, heated and cool leather seats. Just like new, obviously, as it should. Still got all the plastic on the, I left it on, so I'll let you guys take it off, just like a new one. It's got the all-weather floor mats, also got the original cloth carpet mats in the back, all wrapped up. So you've got your power telescopic and tilt steering wheel, adjustable power pedals, power liftgate, automatic headlights. All you do, put your foot on the brake, push the start button, and there she goes. That's the, well, I guess we missed that, but that was the collision avoidance LED lights. About 206 miles. I think that's probably the newest vehicle I ever got as far as miles. You see your lane departure warning icon here. You can change this here to trip computer and all kind of different parameters. Heated steering wheel, leather wrap. There's all your audio controls right here. Got your cruise control with adaptive, so you can adjust the distance between you and the people in front of you. So that's kind of cool. Keeps it at constant speed. It's got the factory navigation system. We've got all these different sources of audio, Bluetooth, even a CD player. A lot of new cars now don't have that anymore. It's got dual climate control, heated seat, cool seat, heated steering wheel. It's even got a rear climate control and rear heated seat. Get your backup camera. It's got Cirrus Radio. It's activated now. I don't know how long that's gonna last, but I think they give you a few months free. It's got the travel link. Get the weather. It's basically the internet going down the road. So that's it. These are all touch. That's how you do the volume. Fan, you can leave on auto. Automatic transmission. There's the auto park, lane departure. USB, 12 volt. Owner's manual still wrapped up. This was not a cheap MKT. right at 55,000. So tremendous savings, and it's not like new, it is new. Got the beautiful panoramic sunroof with the skylight in the back. Then you've got a, oh, that opens up this way. Boy, it's a big old sunroof. And then, I guess one more time. Well, all right, one more time. I'm trying to, and that's the power shade. You gotta push it twice to get that to work. Okay, cool. Great sound system. Sounds like a theater. These things are roomy. They're very comfortable to drive. Just smooth, quiet. Look at these big doors. And that's a big old door. Lots of room. There's you got your 110 outlet, heated seat, and they got their own climate control, 12-volt cup holder. These seats fold. This one is manual. On the other side, it's electric, which is real nice. Got your power lift gate. You can push the button twice on the remote. That opens up. And this is my favorite buttons on this vehicle. Look at all this. Right now we're in a normal position. If you push the stow, this is what happens. Usually you got to pull straps, bend your back, trying to figure it out. Now you can just sit back and watch it. How cool is that? No more breaking your back. We're gonna go back to normal. And then you can do tailgate. How about that? I've never seen that. This is what it's gonna do. You at a ball game or somewhere by a lake, you just want to park and sit back. There's your seats. I think that's pretty cool. So here's your original mats. Front license plate, cargo net. And you can close the lift gate right here. Again, it's still got the plastic here. Usually this is all scratched up. There's another button. This thing's got a lot of buttons. How about that? And then it gives you access to the third seat. You got to push it down manually, but it's not hard at all. The other side does that, but you got to do it by hand. Oh, forgot these windows. Just like on a Bentley. Little shades. Keep the kids out of the sun. Nice. Power seat, lumbar support. The passenger. It's no scratch, no dents, no curb rash. Very nice. Here you've got the 3.5 liter Ecoboost. 365 horse, lots of power. And this is all-wheel drive too. I don't know if I mentioned that. So you got an all-wheel drive vehicle. You get the remainder of the factory warranty, which started a couple days ago. I believe it's 4 year, 50,000 miles bumper to bumper, and 6 years, 70 on the powertrain. So that's pretty awesome. If you're looking for a like new, loaded up SUV at an affordable price, this here's your ticket. To see if this MKT is still for sale, go to my website, sunsetmotors.com. If it's on the website, it's for sale. If not, you're too late and it's gone. I do have very competitive financing available with low interest rate and good terms. Credit applications on the website. You can fill that out and I'll see what I can do for you. Worldwide shipping is also available. To get a shipping quote, if you have any other question, you can call or text anytime, 731-686-8800. Thank you for watching and come and see us.